This video is going to be a DIY on ruffle curtains, and these are my Pinterest inspos. First, you have to cut the fabric as per your desired window or door's length. Fold the raw ends of the fabric by giving it space for the curtain rod to enter and secure them with the pins. If you are new on my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Our first curtain version is ready and you can use it as it is, as this gives chic and elegant look. You can play with fabric and create some ruffles. For this you have to cut the fabric with 11 inches length and join the 11-inch fabric side by side so that it can give you a full length of ruffles. So start by assembling the ruffles and secure them with bobby pins, and later you can give a stitch on them. As shown, you can create as many layers you want and stitch them. This is the ruffle curtains and it turned out how I actually want it to be. In a full saree, I was able to achieve one ruffle curtain and one ruffle pillowcase. Let me know in the comment section which one do you like.